everyone, welcome to Duodecimal Division. My name's Eric Larson and this is the 8th video in a series of videos that I've called The Secrets of the Numerals, where I'm sharing with you why the various numerals have their designs and what kind of foundational geometric information is encoded within their design. So I'm going to go to the 8th circle in the series now of this particular pattern, the circle with the radius of the square root of 8. And we're going to see if we can figure out why the numeral that represents the number 8 has the particular pattern that it does. So first of all, we're going to look at that circle and see how it's defined or where it sits on the grid. The square root of 8 radius circle is defined by 4 lattice points. So we can find them just by going over 2 and up 2. 2 squared is 4, times 2 is 8. So this is the square root of 8 circle right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's all lining up. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4 down to there, then over to here and up again. And those are the 4 points that define the square root of 8 radius circle. So now what I'm going to do is basically draw 2 circles, and I get my large compass, put it on the points between the circles, and draw 2 circles. So I'm going to put it on this point right here, and away we go. Okay, that's 1 circle. And another circle. Okay, so there you have it, 2 circles, and that's the symbol for the number 8. So it's not really a whole lot more to it, and if you look closely, you can see that the distance from this point up here, if we count down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have the height of 8, or the length of 8, embedded within the numeral. So again, the value of that number is encoded within the symbol. And I'll just write down the coordinate points for all of these. So here we have the x is 0 and the y is 4. And here the x is 0 and the y is negative 4. And this point is going to be 2 and 2. Put the parentheses around these, I suppose. And then negative 2 and 2. And negative 2 and negative 2. And 2 and negative 2 for the y. So there we go. So maybe some interesting things about where it sits in terms of the patterns and in relationships to the other numerals. This particular numeral has 2 circles with the diameter of 4. So the 4 would basically fit inside that pattern, and the 4 was all lines and there was no circular elements to it. So basically all lines and no circles. This pattern is all circles and no lines, and sort of relates to the 4, sort of a yin-yang relationship there. And also the fact that we've got 2 circles here in terms of, I think I was explaining in some of the other videos how the 1 was 1/6 of a circle, and the 2 was 1/4 circle, the 3 was 1/2 circle. Again, no circles for the 4, but the 5 was somewhere close to 3/4 of a circle. And then the 6 was a full circle. Again, no circular elements in the 7, but now the 8 is 2 circles. So it's been a real progression in terms of the amount of circle in each symbol. It just consistently been growing to this point here. So again, another pattern kind of within the overall flow of the numerals. So that's about it, for as much as I can sort of glean from the hidden meaning behind this and how this particular symbol fits with the rest. So I think I'm just going to leave it like that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now we're going to go to the next video in the series, which will be all about the numeral that represents the number 9. So I hope you can join me for that one. Thanks for watching.